Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Binance application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So, in order to download your Binance application on your Android device, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Binance and make a search. You're going to see the application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download a Binance application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.